Spread betting, contracts for difference. At first glance, they appear almost identical. You can go long or short. You never own the underlying asset, so you don't pay stamp duty. And both involve a high degree of leverage, which can magnify your returns, but can amplify losses too. However, look closer, and there are some important differences between the two types of trading. First, deal sizes. With spread betting, you bet an amount of money per point, say £5, on whether a market will go up or down. But with CFDs, you buy and sell contracts that represent an amount per point in the underlying market. For example, with IG, one standard FTSE contract is worth £10 per point. Then there's tax. Spread betting profits are currently free of capital gains tax, but CFDs are liable. While this may seem a major drawback, any losses can be offset against future profits for tax purposes, which makes CFDs good for hedging. Then there's expiry times. Spread bets tend to operate on a fixed timescale, anything from a day to several months, while CFDs generally have no expiry dates. Direct market access, or DMA. This means you can trade directly into the order books of major stock exchanges or forex providers. With an IG account, direct market access is available for share CFDs and forex CFDs. You can't, however, get DMA when spread betting. Finally, share dealing. With IG, you trade share CFDs at the market price, paying a commission on all transactions. When spread betting, all charges are included in the spread. So which is best for you? Well, if you want tax-free profits, full control over the size of your deal, or you want to deal shares in small sizes without having to pay a minimum commission, then spread betting could be for you. However, if you want DMA on shares and forex, a product that feels similar to trading in the underlying market, or an efficient way to hedge your portfolio, then you might choose CFDs. To learn more about trading, join IG Academy today. It's completely free and gives you access to short, step-by-step courses and webinars on dozens of trading topics.